Okay, let's look at question 9. Right, let's factor the denominator into x plus 2, x minus 1, okay? So, we're going to do this. The 8x plus 7 over, I may as well factor it, x plus 2, x minus 1 will equal a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 1, okay? So we've got to find a and b. Now, if we multiply everything by the lowest common denominator, which is x plus 2, x minus 1, all the denominators will go. We'll have 8x plus 7 equals a. Now, this will have the x minus 1 next to it, and the b will have the x plus 2 next to it, okay? Right, so let's keep on going. The 8x plus 7 equals, if I do the distributive law, that's ax minus a, 1a, and then what's that, bx plus 2b, okay? Is that bx? I should have put bx there, okay? So, the 8x plus 7 again. Let's put the x's together. So, ax plus bx, and then what's left is minus a, okay? Now then, if I've got a negative in front, this is going to have to be negative 2b, okay? So, let's take a look at that, all right? So that's going to be negative a, positive 2b. So 8x plus 7. Right, so next to the x is an a plus b, if I factor the x out. Okay, so in other words, the a plus b must equal the 8, okay, over here. Now then, minus the a minus b, 2b, must equal, now that's positive 7, so this must equal negative 7, all right? So the a minus 2b must equal negative 7. So let's just check on this again. Remember, we have a negative a and a positive 2b. That would be a negative a and a positive 2b if I did the distributive law. So there's a minus in front of it, okay? So because there's a minus in front of it, and I want a positive 7, this has to be negative 7 to give me positive 7. Can you see that? Okay, so now this is going to be elimination by addition. How we want to do it? If I change all the signs of this first one, okay, so if I say negative a, negative b equals negative 8, if I add them, the a's cancel. Negative b, negative 2b is negative 3b. Negative 8, negative 7 is negative 15. I can see b equals 5, right? So this here is going to be 5. Now, if that's 5, I just need to plug it back into one of the equations. Let's have a think. If I go a plus b equals 8 again, then if b is 5, a must be 3. And there's the answer, okay?